you think about kind of life cycle strategies, traditional ones are more of a reactive approach. You know, a basic framework for life cycle management. You've got customer care. You're looking to grow through referrals or upsells, retention, and win back. And so for obvious reasons, those approaches are focused on different metrics that are very reactive. The most obvious example is what I mentioned earlier, is that, you know, the retention process kicking in when a customer decides to cancel. Or if you look at like CSAT improvement strategies that rely on an NPS score of just a sample of customers. So for example, if you say, you know, you're getting 8 to 10% response rate on customer surveys, I'm confident most CX leaders would say that's a very good response rate. But then you have to really quickly realize, what about the other 90% of your customer base? So how important and how insightful can it be to have an actual NPS score through the predictive model for your entire customer base? So with that, you know, being reactive, you're left with kind of disaggregated data. You're trying to make decisions on servicing and retaining, and then you've got a lot of customer lifetime value potential that remains untapped. So at Brinks, we realized that these reactive strategies weren't sustainable. We needed a different approach, and that's one that's enabled by advances that were being made in predictive analytics technology. So the AI powered by multiple predictive models gives you the ability to see the full picture of customer lifetime risks and opportunities across the life cycle for the entire base. So for example, now at Brinks, we don't have to wait for a customer to call us to cancel. Instead, the AI tells us which customers are at the highest risk of canceling at any given time. So again, going from a reactive position of when your only insight to a customer canceling is when they call you, now we're able to predict which customers are going to cancel at any point in their life cycle. So essentially every customer has a risk score. So this gives us the time to act well before it's too late. So allows us to look at proactive, data-driven campaigns across the life cycle for every customer, and then unlock that significant customer lifetime value we're talking about.